Hey guys, welcome to the film show. Look, I have got some absolutely fantastic, superb, wonderful, out of this world sound effects that I'm going to be sharing with you guys over the coming weeks. So these are bonus episodes for YouTube and for my blog and of course for the podcast. So these are free to use. Do what you will with them. This one is just so sci-fi. It's just so gorgeous. You could put it backwards, upside down. You could lengthen it, shrink it, whatever you want. It's really lovely. Have a listen. Oh, I mean, that's kind of door opening, or you could use that as an intro. Should we play it one more time? Love it. I love that. I love that little loop. Anyway, it's yours for personal use. Do your thing.